What is going on, everyone? Welcome back for another exciting travel vlog. We're in Las Vegas in our hotel room, staying in Paris. Right now, we are going to be doing something that not too many people get to do. We're going to take a helicopter flight over the Las Vegas Strip at night. I believe our flight is at 8:45 p.m. Vegas time. And it's gonna be something. So anyway, we're gonna go hop the monorail, head on over down, I believe it's by the airport. It's pretty much where Maverick Helicopters is. It's like down near the beginning of the strip where the Vegas sign is. So we gotta take the monorail down there, go walk a bit, and yeah, we're gonna take you on a journey. So let's go. Here we are, Maverick. So there's one of the helicopters outside. And we're not too far from the airport. Actually, no, the airport's right here. Literally right here. So we flew in here earlier today and now we're flying out pretty much on a helicopter. So we've been to Vegas 3 times. This is our 3rd time. We've never done this before, so it should be pretty cool. It was a little over $100 a person, but pretty much, you know, I mean, you get in a helicopter, it takes you up. You could do daytime or night. Obviously, nighttime's more expensive, but like, that's what you're gonna wanna see. So it's a little over $100 a person for 15 minutes in the air, but we're gonna see if it's worth it. So checked in, got our little boarding cards, and yeah, we're gonna see how it goes.
Let's just quickly go over a few things about the flight.
So we have 4 people plus the pilot, and we're getting ready to rock and roll. What do you think?
It's pretty darn cool.
Yeah. In the helicopter, it's gonna be so cool.
Can you put the headsets on? Only if you want to.
the helicopter ride was flipping awesome. We made it back to Paris, you know. So anyway, hope you all enjoyed. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit subscribe down below, and I think I'm gonna go play some tables. So thank y'all very much. See you soon. Well, we're back to the room for the night, and the Bellagio water show is now in full effect at night. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, Eiffel Tower is all lit up again, but man, that music's so loud. But it's really cool. They actually gave us, for where we are in the hotel, they gave us earplugs because there's a nightclub kind of below us. So in case we can't sleep because it's too loud, they gave us earplugs. But man, that's pretty.